Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 14th chapter, that is light. In previous video already we have discussed about that what are the convex mirror and what are the images forming and what are the uses of the concave mirror and convex mirror. But students, today we are going to discuss about the what is the lens. Lens do you have here? Lens is a transparent material which were bounded with the two surfaces, one of plane or that two are spherical. Okay, so that is called as the lens. And there are generally two types of lenses. There are different types of lenses are there, but we will study that generally two types of lens. Means like that concave, convex lens, concave lens, plano concave lens. Okay, so there are different lenses are there, but generally we are classifying into the two types. One is a convex mirror, a convex lens, and another one is a concave lens. So convex lens, what is that? Now that all that after that reflecting, that after the light is passing that through the lens, it will be converge one point. That is called as convex lens. But when the light will pass through that lens, then it will be diverge that rays. That is called as a concave lens. Okay, so it is reverse just to that mirror. Which one, what are the properties, how like that light rays are, what are the images are forming, same as it is, but it is reverse. That means a concave mirror is just like equal to that convex lens. Okay, so similarly you can understand very carefully. If you give that attention, you can understand easily what is that convex lens and what is the concave mirror. Similarity, more equality there. So just if you will give that names changing and you will give that same position, same things it will be happen. Okay, so in concave mirror, what did you understand? What is that image objects? These all are the real and inverted. Same line, students. In convex lens, that nature, the object is also real and inverted. Okay, and also you have to see that all that alternative like a concave mirror, concave mirror and convex lens. And a convex mirror, whatever the properties are, how like it is image are forming, same like a concave lens you will get. Okay, see how it is. What are that in higher class more you will get that idea about that. But let us see now what is that lens. Lens is a transparent material, means that light will transfer. Mirror means it won't be transfer, it will be reflect. So that get that idea. Only one two things. Mirror and lens. Lens, what will happen? The light will transfer, means a transparent material. But in the mirror, one side opaque, that means it will be reflect, bouncing it is. Okay. So transparent material which bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical is called the lens. Okay. Both surfaces are the spherical, either one of the spherical, one surface is spherical, another one is plane. That is plano concave, plano convex. We have to study that higher class, but generally according to the spherical surfaces, if you see, these are the two types. One is by that, what is that? Spherical surfaces. Spherical surfaces, if you say, then there are two types. One is convex lens, another one is concave lens. What do you mean by convex lens? Now it is the lens which is thicker in the middle than at the edges. If you see that thicker, this is the middle portion. This is thicker than the edges. Means apart you should see this is thin like it. Okay. So like this means this portion wide is there, this portion less is there. So if like that it is there, that means if the edges portion is thin. Okay, and that middle is the thicker. That is called as what is that? Convex lens. Convex lens converge the rays of the light passing it, and also it is called as a converging lens. It is also called as a converging lens because all light rays are passing through this, and after that it is a converge one point, converging that all the light rays. So that's why it is called as also converging lens. Okay. Next, after that, the point at which the parallel rays of light converge is called focal point of the or focus. When that light ray will pass like this, then after that passing they will converge one point. Okay, this is called as a focus. That means in the convex lens or concave lens, when light ray will pass, after that what will happen? They will converge and they will be diverge. So two things. When the light rays are converge, so that is convex lens. So that is point is called as a focus. But in concave lens, what will be happen? The light rays will be diverge, but you have to draw back ray diagram. If you draw, you will get that focus. Okay, so this is the only difference. So now I have drawn that on convex lens. You should see the ray diagrams. After that, passing that light rays, then they are converging this point. Converge means one point they were pointed. So that this point is called as the focus of that lens. Okay, and a concave lens, what is that? Now it is the lens which is the thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. Carefully observe, students. Thinner means this middle portion is thinner, but here you should observe that here convex lens means what is that? Thus this is the thicker, but concave reverse like this. This portion, the middle portion is thinner and the edges portion is thicker. Opposite this. So it is a lens which is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. This is called as a concave lens. Okay, concave lens. Now in this lens, how it is happening, let's see. I told already, in the concave lens, what will happen? The light rays are diverging. So diverging, that means you should ray will come here and diverging. That not focusing here. It is not a converging on a point. So in the concave lens, what will happen? The light rays are diverging. They are going away from that point. So what will happen? This focus will be drawn back and it will form here. That means back side, same side of that object, it will be formed. Okay, so these are called as about that what is that concave lens and what is the convex lens. Students, one thing I will tell you, just to remind it, in the convex lens, whatever that ray diagrams, what are that image, how that object, same 6 object positions are there, how like you have studied that in concave mirror. Whatever that art infinite, art behind the C, art C, between the C and F, between at F, between P and F, same like also students in convex mirror also you will get that same things at between, same that image will form that same position like that you will get, but after that lens. That means in that mirror what we are getting, same side we are getting, but that this image will form that opposite side of the object in the lens. Okay, thank you students. You have, I hope you have understood about that what is that lens and what are the different types of lens, and you will note that, and a difference also you have to choose. What is that difference, and you should mention that, make it the diagrams, ray diagrams you should if possible. Right, you will study in the higher class. Your textbook inside it has given that also diagram in that activity cases. You should try. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me by my personal WhatsApp, or you should send what is the ray diagram or anything I can send to you. Okay students, thank you all of you. Have a nice day. You can write.